In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for the ConvertKit affiliate program. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. So you're probably wondering why you would want to join the ConvertKit affiliate program. Well, ConvertKit is a fantastic email marketing platform that helps creators build their audience and engage with their subscribers effectively. As an affiliate, you get the opportunity to earn a commission by promoting a product you believe in. Sounds like a win-win situation, right? Now, let's get started with the steps to sign up. The first thing you need to do is head over to the ConvertKit website. Simply open your browser and type in ConvertKit. Once you're on their homepage, look toward the top of the page. They usually have a menu bar, and you're going to want to find the affiliates link. Sometimes, you might need to scroll down a bit, but it should be fairly easy to locate. When you click on the affiliates link, you'll be taken to a new page that will provide all the details you need to know about the affiliate program. Take a moment to read through this page. It contains important information about the commission structure, how tracking works, and what resources are available for affiliates. It's always good to familiarize yourself with this information before proceeding. After you've taken in all that information and you're feeling excited to continue, look for the Sign Up button. This will often be prominently displayed on the affiliates page. Go ahead and give it a click. You will then be directed to a sign-up form. This form is where you'll need to enter some basic information. First, they will ask for your name. Make sure you enter your full name, as it will be the name associated with your affiliate account. Next, you'll need to provide an email address. This is crucial because ConvertKit will use this email to communicate with you regarding your affiliate account, potential commissions, and any updates or resources they want to share. Once you've filled out your name and email, you'll also see a spot to create a password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you can remember. It's your key to accessing your affiliate dashboard safely. Now, continuing with the sign-up process, you might be asked to provide some additional details about how you plan to promote ConvertKit. This can include the platforms you use, such as if you have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media accounts. Be honest. They want to understand your marketing approach. This part is important because it helps ConvertKit know how best to support you as an affiliate. After confirming that all your information is correct, hit the Submit button. Congratulations! You've taken a significant step in joining the ConvertKit affiliate program. The next step involves checking your email. You should receive a notification from ConvertKit confirming your application. If everything looks good and they approve your account, you'll get further instructions and access to your affiliate dashboard. This dashboard is where you can track clicks, conversions, and commissions. Make sure to log in and explore your affiliate dashboard once you get access. It's user-friendly and has a range of tools to help you get started. You will also find marketing materials you can use to promote ConvertKit, like banners, referral links, and even email templates. And that's it. You are now set to start earning commissions by promoting a service that you believe in. Just remember to create meaningful content that resonates with your audience. Focus on sharing your personal experiences using ConvertKit for the best impact. Thank you for watching today's video on how to sign up for the ConvertKit affiliate program. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more great content like this. Happy promoting, and best of luck with your affiliate journey.